So hey guys, I've just thought I'd pop on and give you another video to give you a round robin on what's going to be happening in September as we go into it now. So it's going to be about 5 or 6 minutes of your time. So the first thing I'm going to talk about from the 3rd of September, which is a Sunday I believe, we're going to be starting our Hyrox training program 10 weeks out from November Hyrox. Now, the good thing about this is it's not just for people running Hyrox, it's an advanced session for those that want a little bit more from their training. The thing about it, you've got to be completely injury-free to attend the sessions, and you've got to have a little bit of autonomy so you understand what's going on when the coaches talk to you. All right, so those sessions are going to be available on Go Team Up, and they're going to be not instead of things, they're additional sessions. Please speak to your coach before you book them. They're not just to be booked by anybody that fancies just doing a session, because they're not designed for that. They're advanced sessions, but we've put them on because a lot of you like advanced stuff, and they're really, really cool. So Hyrox training starts the 3rd of September. Right, after that, so on the 10th of September, we have a brief. So this brief seminar is going to take place on Saturday the 10th. And it's going to be bookable on Go Team Up. And essentially what it's for, if you want to have the best amount of chance from September through to December to lose fat, gain strength, enhance your performance, enhance your lifestyle, you need to come to this brief. Because what it's going to do is essentially going to give you the tools to enable you to have a plan with your coach for that to happen, right? So you're going to get everything from this brief. We're going to cover recovery, we're going to cover sleep, we're going to cover training, we're going to cover intensity, we're going to cover everything you need, and from that you'll be able to have a templated plan that you will write on that day to make the most out of your training from September through to December. This is on the 10th of September we're going to do that brief. It will really give you a good kickstart leading up to Christmas, and it's part of a thing called a 100-day challenge that we're advertising on Facebook, but you guys get that anyway because you're members of the facility, so you don't need to put in for the 100 days. This is what you're getting from that initial brief. So other events, there are a few other events happening in September. I need you to look at the telly that when you come into the Bean and Barbell, and it'll give you all the events that are happening. We had a bit of paddleboarding that went really well. We had the games, which was fantastic. But now you're coming back off holiday, for some of you, we're going to be putting on more stuff, right? There's probably going to be a Tough Mudder in there. There's probably going to be a bit of golf in there and things. So really think about, if you want to do these events, we'll pop them on for you, come along as a community and work with other people. Fantastic, right? So the next thing, on the Go Team Up, you'll see some sessions moving around. We do this every year, and we really don't communicate it well, so people wonder why. The reason we move the sessions around, it's to do with health and safety. Right, so we need to move things because of the dark outside. We do sessions outside sometimes. We need to bring them indoors and vice versa. We just need to make sure that we're following the guidelines set by the insurance company and health and safety to put sessions on at different times to suit different needs. It's a bit of a juggling act, but when you see them move around, we're not removing stuff to upset people. We're moving it because we have to, essentially, to put it in line with how we're going to run the facility. But you're just going to get more from it anyway, because you're not going to get injured and you're going to be looked after, and that's why we do it. So let's go back to the Hyrox sessions. The reason I want to talk about them, these are advanced sessions that are additionally going to be added into the program at SC. The important part about it is that you speak to your coach and ask whether you are the person that needs to go onto these sessions or can go onto these sessions. You're going to be injury-free, have a little bit of autonomy, and want to have a workout. It's not just attending the sessions that works. There's a little bit of a mix and match, which you're going to understand at the brief on the 10th of September, on how to attack each and every session alongside the strength-based sessions and the other fitness-based sessions within the gym. You really need to look at those and figure out with your coach that plan after the brief in September on how these sessions are going to help you if you can attend them. If not, don't worry. We've got Fit Plus still, and we've still got Move, and we've still got strength sessions and normal fit sessions that you can all attend. It's probably another 2% of what we do will be the Hyrox sessions. So you'll still get 98% if you can't do the Hyrox stuff. So don't panic if you've got a little bit of an injury or worried about those sessions. You don't have to do them, but they're there for those that are a little bit more advanced. Now on to some really cool stuff. Member of the month, Adrian Day, big round of applause to him. Great thing about Adrian, he's been at the gym and at first relatively quiet, and now he's got to the point where he's asking more questions, speaking to his coach and believing in that process we all talk about. So because Adrian asks loads of questions, he's getting a better result. Things are going really, really well for him. And because of that, he deserves Member of the Month because he's doing everything to the highest degree possible to get an amazing result. Speaking to his coaches, following the plan, and just enjoying himself. Now, every month we have one person that gets member of the month, but there's probably a list of 10 that could win it, maybe 15. And we always have to narrow it down. So some of you are so close, you know who you are, and maybe you'll get it next month. So keep working at it, guys. But well done to Adrian Day. Another couple of things, the Wall of Fame, Nigel Wells, 73 kilos of weight loss. So he is going on to the Wall of Fame for a lifestyle change, therefore a lifestyle marker. He's done weight loss. John Patterson, 15 kilos of weight loss, he's going on the Wall of Fame. So how do you get on the Wall of Fame? Essentially, if you enhance your lifestyle in such a way by losing weight and feeling fantastic, you'll go on the Wall of Fame. But it has to be something that is measurable. Or if you enhance your performance by doing like, you know, a 10K in a really quick time that is, wow, you know, something you've never done before. Or doing a Hyrox event and you just do well at that Hyrox event. Like Sharon and Dell got second place last time they did it. So that is how you get onto the Wall of Fame. And you should all be aspiring to get on there at some point to make your marker. And it can be anything. We just vote as coaches. And if you make Wall of Fame, your picture goes up and we all cheer and clap you. And we're going to give t-shirts away for every person that's on the Wall of Fame from now for when they get up there. So there's a couple of people last time. Mike and Ty, they're still going to get a t-shirt, so don't worry. They're coming your way, guys, for getting on to that Member of the Month and the Wall of Fame. And Adrian, yours is coming too. Big thank you from me for all the Google reviews, 77 Google reviews so far, 5-star, really pleased with that. So I can't thank you enough for supporting us, because supporting local businesses is something that we try to do a lot, and you supporting me is something that is fantastic. So thank you again for that. So we have, as we mentioned, t-shirts. We've got 3 new garments coming to the facility. We've got the vest tops, which are a Pompey outline running style vest in male and female sizes coming to the facility. If you want to order them, you can pre-order it with the facility. We'll get the prices to you very soon. And then in 6 weeks time, you'll have one of these tops and they look really, really smart. Then we have normal t-shirts being made up. They're still really cool, really high quality, and vest tops made of cotton as well, which are really high quality. So if you want to pre-order them once you've seen the design, you can, and we'll get them to you. They'll be here within a week, the t-shirts and the vests. The running vests will be here in 6 weeks, but the other stuff will be here too. And they look really smart and they fit well. And if you've got guns, they make your guns look better. Right, so that's t-shirts, Hyrox. Now, the other thing is the loyalty card. So the loyalty card is now live. If you haven't got one, speak to your coach and get them to hand you the loyalty card and explain what it's all about. So we've got a lot of people with businesses at SC who are members, and we want to support local businesses plus members from SC. And the way we can do that is by using them. And what they've done, a lot of them have graciously offered discounts for the members of SC for their services. Like the Beach Club has offered buy one, get one free on breakfast if you're a member of SC with a loyalty card. That's brilliant, isn't it? You know, and then we've got solicitors, we've got accountants, we've got laundrettes. There's so much on there that you can use to help the local economy, help the local businesses, but it'll also help you because there's a little bit of discount on there as well. So come and get your loyalty cards as well, guys. And then we've got this one here. So you'll see these posters up around the gym. You have the power, mainly in the Bean and Barbell office. Now, what we say to everybody, we're in the results business, and if you're getting a great result, why wouldn't you tell people about it? And why wouldn't you want them to come to the facility and experience what you're experiencing? So that is why we put these in place, because a lot of people ask, well, my friend likes it. So we're actually setting up a system where you can get your friends involved at the facility. There's never any obligation for you to refer, but if you are doing so well and you want somebody else to do well, then you can refer them. And that's where these come up, and then these little cards. So these cards here, you're going to get 2. You can have as many as you want, in all honesty. I said 2, but you can have as many as you want. There you go. One person can use £100 on services at SC. So that's either 2 weeks free training or £100 off the 6-week foundation course to come and join the facility for 6 weeks of training for 147 quid. Really, really good, because you're offering this discount. Now, there's 2 reasons you do this. Because of your friend, you love them, and they want to get a great result. The second reason is, if that person then joins the facility, after that, you get 10% off your membership. If you get 10 people and they stay at the facility, you'll train for free. For some of you, you might think, oh, I'm okay with that. But for others, it's a bit of a game, a bit of a challenge. Can I train for free at a 77 Google star review facility? How cool is that? Can I train for free at a 77 5-star Google reviewed facility? Yes, you can. And this is the way to do it. So that is why we have these discount vouchers available for everybody at the gym. so you can kind of save a little bit of money in the current climate and you can get your friends there. So that is everything I've got for September. If you've got any questions, let me know. If not, pop them below and I'll see you on the other side. See you in September.